Hi everybody, it's me, Artist King, back with another video. So today I'm always trying new stuff. So with this canvas here, I I painted over it. It was an old canvas. I didn't like the painting that I did, and it's been sitting there. So as I always say, I don't like to waste things. So I decided to paint over it, which I mixed, I believe, orange and white to get that original color. And then I thought about doing a pour painting. So that's what I have. That's what I'm in the process of doing here. I use several different colors, and what I'm realizing now, I need to mix some new paint because I find these colors to be a bit dull. So I'm gonna have to get some new paint and mix up some new batches of it with some brighter colors. So anyway, I did that and I had to leave it for a day or so to um to dry, because as you guys who do pour paintings know, because of the large amount of paint you use, it takes a while to dry. It doesn't dry as easy as a regular painting. So I used some silicone oil, some Floetrol, some acrylic paint, and water. That is what is in my mixture to get it. I didn't really wait to see any cells because I felt like maybe the paint had been there too long. And I really wasn't looking for cells on this because I had a plan for it. So okay, so what I really wanted to do was paint like a half a face. But then I thought I had this stencil that I've never used before. So I said, well, let me check this out, see how this would go. Yeah, so I used that, and I decided to use some, kind of not so well. You know what? I don't think the ink pads really gives you like bright colors when you use it. It's just kind of to show you this might be a blue or a green or whatever, but I find that they're not very bright. So what I did in this case, I used some red acrylic paint, because for you guys that know me, I love the color red. It's one of my favorite colors. In fact, it is my favorite color. So I said, well, let me put some red flowers on the side of her, because I would want it to be this, like, it's, of course it's a mixed media piece because I used the pour painting, then I used stencils, then I use acrylic paint, and so it is mixed media. So I wanted to just do something a little bit different. But guys, this painting took me a couple days to finish, so that's why what I ended up doing was cutting out some of the footage because it was just a lot to put in a video. So I decided to just do something like that. So I used a rag and I used red acrylic paint. Again, I think I've had that paint too long and I probably need to toss it. But again, I don't like to waste stuff, so I'm gonna keep it. It will be good for some things. So after I used the paint, I had to fill in some of the areas with red, with the same red paint, so that the flowers could look a little bit, like flowers, I guess, and not like a stencil, really. So anyway, it took me some time to do all of this, and I think and then of course, I smudged it a little bit. I made a mess. So I had to figure out ways to be creative and fix those. So I decided to put some yellow. And of course, this is the time my dog decides to bark at me because he's not getting enough attention. So if you hear him in the background, that's my little Bella. She, not him, her. She's just a very needy dog when it comes to be around 9, 10 o'clock at night. They both get very needy. They want to lay in the bed. They want to lay on top of me regardless of what I'm painting or whatever I'm doing. They want to be right up on me. And as I'm recording this video, I cannot put Bella up. So she's a bit impatient tonight. Whereas TK is sleeping on my back. He's in the chair with me and he's on the back, sleeping on my back. So, they feed off of each other. So that's kind of what's going on now. But anyway, back to the painting. So after I did the stencil, I thought maybe I could put some more color in the hair and use some more. I think I ended up using like some more stencils, some markers, you name it. I used it on this painting because I was just trying to do something different. So if you look here, Um, you'll see where I tried to fill in the hair to make it look a little bit more fancy. Well, I don't know if you want to call it fancy or what you want to call it. But I tried to do something to make a little change in the hair other than just leaving it black. So I have some other ideas for some more paintings, and by the time this video goes up, Thanksgiving would have passed. So I hope that you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I know some areas of the United States, there was some bad weather. I hope everybody's safe. I hope everybody got to spend time with their family and reflected on all the things that you're thankful for. Because in this world we live in now, it's so much going on. It's so many things that could have your attention that sometimes we forget how important family is, how important it is to be with family, to spend time with family, and to just appreciate the family that you have. Because a lot of people don't have family. Like for me, I live in the United States and my family is all the way back in Trinidad. I do have some family in Texas, but you can't just hop on a plane every time you get ready and go to your family. And I think they're going somewhere else this year for Thanksgiving. But anyway, it's rough when you don't have family. When you don't have family around and the holidays come around. It's just always a very hard time for me. But I try to find things to occupy myself, and I'm thankful that I found art. So that takes up my time and it gives me something to occupy myself with, so I don't dwell for too long on the fact that my family is so far away. So for those of you who have family close by, love on your family, spend time with them, give your mama her flowers while she's alive, just all these little things because they matter. Because this world we live in, you could be here today and gone tomorrow. Life is not guaranteed for us. I'm seeing more and more now younger people leaving this earth like just in the blink of an eye. So I just make the most of this Thanksgiving, and as Christmas comes up, make the most of that as well. So back to the video. So I tried to do a little something here, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I really do. I have so many ideas going on in my head, and then when I put them on the canvas, they don't always come out the way I saw it before. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really do. Because I'm trying to do different things. I think I got burnt out with collage, and I have like, I don't know, collage block. They say you have writer's block. I have collage block. I just couldn't put any more together. So I decided to delve into mixed media. So anyway guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the button, the like button. That helps. If you're a YouTuber, some of you guys know, it helps when you hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment. I see that you guys are watching my video, but you're not leaving comments. So please leave a comment. Let me know if you liked the video, what you liked about the video, what you think, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. I try my best to post every Friday. Okay, so check out how it came out, because I stopped the video because it was, it took me 2 days. So this is the finished product. I add several other things to it. I put some white, I did some leaves, just some other things to kind of make it more interesting. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you did watch it down to the end. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Okay, bye now.